J Tiger in Thailand. Wow, this is a nice little shop here in northern Thailand near the Myanmar border, and we had the drag bike over there on the trailer, and we've got another one here. This is a little hot rod here. As you can see, we got a big bore cylinder on there, velocity stack, fuel injection, got the adapter on there, and got some new sticky tires, got the stainless steel header, and this is a little hot rod too. Oh wow, got some nice bars on it. Looks like a custom seat, and I believe it may be an extended swing arm, but looking good here.